Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can export an image from Adobe Illustrator. Once you're done with designing your art or a design, you just simply need to click on File, and in the below option, you can see there's an option for export. To save this image as a PNG or JPEG, you need to click on Save for Web Legacy. And here on the top, you can select the preset. If you want to save as GIF, you can save it as JPEG or the PNG format. And here are the categories again: the GIF, JPEG, PNG. If you have any transparent background, I suggest you select the PNG format because this supports transparency. If you want to increase the size and have the better resolution, you can increase the size from here, as it is 900 right now and the file size is 86 KB. You can change this as 3000. And now this will show you the original size of this one. And you can see also on the bottom, the file size is increased as well. Just click on save and rename your file whatever you want and select the location, then click on save. And that's how you can save an image in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.